Okay, hello grade 11s. Graad 12. Ek kyk nou na daai 11 daarbo. So some of you said that you can't really remember the financial maths from last year. So I'm just going to do 3 of these with you and I want to really ask you to try the rest of them on your own. Julle het die memo. So gaan kyk op die plekke waar jy vashak. Okay. So die twee goed wat oor hierdie bladsy gaan is oor tydlynsomme. And converting between nominal and effective interest rates. Okay, so nommer 2 sê hulle vir jou R8000 word belê teen 'n rentekoers van 9% per jaar en dit word maandeliks saamgestel, so compounded monthly. Dan 2 jaar later word R14000 bygesit. Calculate how much money is in the saving account 6 years after the first one was invested. Okay, so daar's twee verskillende maniere om dit te doen. Ek het nou die memos in die bo gelos. I'm just going to pay attention to this timeline first. So you have this timeline where you say at T0, you put the 8,000 Rand in. Okay. Then at T2, you put another 14,000 in, but we want to calculate the total amount there. So hierdie ene is die memo se antwoord. 'n ander manier om te doen is to start off by saying, I'm going to calculate what the total value at T2 is. So I'm going to say 0,09 divided by 12. And this has been there for 2 years, so that is to the power of 24 months. I just want to quickly check my calculations. I didn't do these beforehand. Sorry, guys. To the power of 24. So I might actually make a calculation error and get to another answer. Let's hope not. Okay, so after 2 years, that is the total amount that has already accumulated. So met ander woorde die R8000 plus R1500 se rente. Now I'm going to add another 14,000 to that. So that's this amount. I'm going to add there. And that's the value that you reinvest now. So now I'm going to say the 9,500 plus the 14,000 gives you 23,571,308, etc. And that you have for another 4 years, because remember now it's just from year to year. So jy belê dit dan vir nog 4 jaar, so dit is tot die mag 48. Please be the correct answer. Yes. So you get a total value of 33740,10. Okay. So if the memo's answer makes sense to you, use that one, or this is another method. So wat die memo doen is hy sê daai R8000 lê vir die volle 6 jaar. So you take the 8,000 and that accumulates interest over the full 6-year period. This 14,000 only accumulates rent for 4 years. So that's why you only use to the power of 48. Okay. So ek hoop dit het julle gehelp om gou 'n quick refresher daarvan te hê. Dan by nommer 4, vra hulle vir jou om te skakel tussen nominale en effektiewe rentekoers. So they ask you to convert to compounded monthly. I'm just going to do 4A. Just remember this, let me do it in purple, is a formula that will not be on your formula page. Sorry, I'm losing my words now. Okay, good. So that is the formula waarmee jy werk, en M is equal to, if it's monthly, then it will be 12. If it's quarterly, then it will be 4. If it's half year or whatever you call it, semi-annually, then it will be 2. Okay, so M is afhangend van hoe hulle vir jou sê dit saamgestel word, verander dit. Okay, so what they did here is they said you have to convert these to the effective rates. So you have to calculate that. En dan sê hulle vir jou 8% maandeliks saamgestel. So that's 0,08 over 12 to the power of 12. And then you just put dan sit jy net 'n 12de magswortel hieroor. Ag ek lieg. Sorry. Daai hele ding kan jy net so op jou sakrekenaar intik. So if you type that into your calculator, you will get 1,08 0.08999, and then you just subtract this one to get to 0.08299, and then you just round that off to 8,3. Okay, dan die laaste een wat ek gou vandag saam met julle wil deurgaan is nommer 11. Wat hulle vir jou sê, R2,500 word in hierdie spaarrekening ingesit, en dan sê hulle vir jou die eerste 2 jaar is dit 8,5% en dit word jaarliks saamgestel. Met ander woorde, hy word hier basies gedeel deur 1. So ons skryf hierdie 1 daar nie, want daar's 1 jaar in 'n jaar. En dan verander dit na 9% per jaar en dit word kwartaalliks saamgestel. So that's where this 4 comes from. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this over for you so that you can just see. You can break this one up again and say, I'm first going to work to T2 and say A is equal to 2,500. 1 plus, you don't have to put it over 1, so 0,085 to the power of 2. Sorry, meneer, het my.